Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shiksha Academy. Today we learn action verbs. First is walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Walk is an action. It means to move with your feet. You can walk slowly or fastly. This is walk. Next, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Clap means to hit your hands together to make a sound. You can clap when you are happy. You can clap to music. Or also you can clap to say a good job. Next, run. R-U-N, run. Next, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Jump means to push yourself off the ground, go up into the air. You can jump to reach high or just jump for fun. Next, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Dance means to move your body to music. You can dance fast or slow. You can even dance silly. Next, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. To sing means make music with your voice. You can sing a song. You can sing with your friends. Next, swim. S-W-I-M, swim. To swim means to move your body through water. You can swim in a pool. You can swim in a sea. Even swim like a fish. Next, climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. To climb means to go up something using your hands and feet. You can climb a tree, even climb a mountain. Next, crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. To crawl means move slowly on your hands and knees. You can crawl under a table. You can also crawl like a small baby. Next, kick. K-I-C-K, kick. To kick means to hit something with your foot. You can kick a ball. Next, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. To throw means to send something through the air with your hands. You can throw a ball or even throw a paper aeroplane. Next, catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. To catch means hold something coming towards you. You can catch a ball. You can also catch toys. Next, pull. P-U-L-L, pull. To pull means to use your hands to bring something towards you. You can pull a wagon. Next, push. P-U-S-H, push. Push means to move something away from you. Push a door to go outside. Next, slide. S-L-I-D-E, slide. To slide means to move smoothly across a surface. You can slide for fun. Shake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. To shake means to move something quickly back and forth. You can shake your hands. Bend. B-E-N-D, bend. Bend means to make your body or something else not straight. You can bend your knees. Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. To stretch means make your body longer. You can stretch your arms, your toes. Next, twist. W-I-T-W-I-S-T, twist. Twist means turn around. You can twist your body when you dance. Twist a cap to open a bottle. Thank you for watching.